Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. It's a TGIF kicking into the end of the summer. Let's make it a safe one out here. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make a difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 65, NASDAQ up 7.5, S&P's up 8, gold contract up $8.10, trading at $13.30 an ounce. Silver up 23 cents, $17.80 an ounce. Platinum up $8, $1,007 an ounce. Copper up 2.5 pennies, $3.12 a pound. They're all catching bids, folks, coming into this weekend. Light sweet crude flat, $47.27 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 9 ticks, 126.31. 30-year bond down 29 ticks, 156.15. King dollar up 157 ticks, 92.785. The euro is at 118 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 110.25 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So if we go over to the SPY first, what you're looking at, you've been laying out at basically highs all day long. Anemic volume, of course, coming into the weekend. No doubt about that. Now, the SPY, folks, is trading into its high from the 8th of August, rather. That number is 248.91. We've hit 248.33. We're coming into that baby out here with 35 million shares versus the 60 million. We put this on a weekly basis. What you're looking at is this. On a weekly basis, you're coming into 351 million, and we've done 293. The bottom line, though, if you close at these highs, guess what? That thing's going to get tagged, meaning the 248.91. We go and we take a look at the NDX 100. That is at highs. The 3Qs, they've done 16 million shares out here. You're coming into 80 million, which is a trip. Bottom line, you're over the high. The high is 145.96. Now, it's going to be intriguing here. I is watching how we close, and this is why. That's on the daily, and on the weekly, that's still the number on the weekly. And what we're talking here, we're only talking 11 cents over it right now. So if, in fact, you get a failure, it's going to be quite a failure because of the fact of not just of how the daily is, but how the weekly is. Because the weekly, what's happened is this. We're coming into this with 128 million shares versus 192 million. So it's pretty anemic. And, you know, it's subtle. The subtlety in these tests, folks, gets pretty intense, meaning that, you know, you have something that is trading at a price point of $146. And it's like, you're really testing on the penny? Yeah, and that's how it works. You're testing on the penny. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract. They did everything that they could, folks, the last couple weeks to keep gold down. There are buyers in this market, and they're big buyers in this market. So what do we have out here today? Well, if we go over the course just of this week, what you're going to see is this. Monday, we break topside. We go from $1,297 to $1,317. We break away from the consolidation that we've been in for the last 5 months. We do it with force. You did it on Monday with 460,000 contracts. You did it with Tuesday with 460,000 contracts. And then what ends up happening yesterday, they're trying to knock it down. Bottom line, it rejects lower price with lighter volume, by the way. We did 312,000 contracts, which was going into the 460,000. Got it down to a price point of 1302 rather, and then it takes off topside. Big time. Today, same setup. If you were in front of a machine, when the jobs number come out, it was amazing, folks, okay? Bottom line, gold contract shot from 1325, got up to 1334, came right back down to 1321. That all took place in the course of about an hour and a half. Bottom line, shook it off again. You're at 1330. On the way to its swing high, the swing high that gold's going after now, it goes back to July of 2016, which is 1377.50. And you've cleared this consolidation, and man, you cleared it with conviction. I mean, big conviction, too. Silver, what do we have in the silver market? Silver market's following the gold market up, which is positive for the metals in general. Silver right now is trading up $1. 1 3/4%. Silver also caught the bid. Silver right now is up 23 cents. You're trading at $17.80. Silver looks to me in monster volume, by the way. We've done 97,000 contracts in the silver market. Silver looks like it's going to run to the April swing high, April 17th swing high. That number is 1887. Big number. Let's go on to the platinum, because platinum also finally is catching a bid. Platinum market out here up $12. You're at 1010. It finally got over this 1,000 level. It got over it, and it has volume behind the move, too. We've done 19,000 contracts inside the platinum market. We'll bring this back a little bit further. And platinum, let me put this PL. I'm going to bring up the, no. I'm going to bring up this continuous contract. So PL, there we go. Okay, I want to bring up the continuous contract so we can, it didn't bring up the continuous one either. 1 second, PL. Okay, so we are at 1010, 1045 is the next step up in platinum. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back with numbers as we are coming into this close of the summer. Or the, I guess, in quotes, the summer. Dow Industrials up 63, NASDAQ up 7, S&P's up 8. We're going to be right back.